Welcome to Webby's Bitrix24 tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore the collaboration tools overview, including chat and instant messaging, calendar and open slot scheduling, email integration and setup, documents and drive overview, and activating drive synchronization through the desktop application. Let's start with chat and instant messaging, essential tools for real-time communication and collaboration. Here, you can communicate with your team members instantly, share files, and collaborate on projects in real time. Whether you're in the office or working remotely, chat and instant messaging keep everyone connected and productive. To send a message, simply select the recipient from your contact list, type your message, and hit send. You can also create group chats for team discussions and collaboration.
Now, let's delve deeper into the chat functions within Bitrix24. Aside from text messaging, you can also make calls and video calls, both one-on-one and in group settings. Let's explore how to use these features effectively. Here, you can see the options for initiating calls and video calls within the chat interface. Whether you're connecting with a colleague for a quick discussion or hosting a team meeting, Bitrix24 provides seamless communication tools for every situation. To make a call or video call, simply click on the corresponding icon next to the contact's name in the chat window. You can also initiate group calls by selecting multiple contacts and clicking the call icon.
Next up, let's discuss the calendar and open slot scheduling feature, which helps you manage your time effectively and schedule appointments with ease. With the calendar feature, you can view your schedule, set reminders for important events, and schedule meetings with colleagues. Additionally, the open slot scheduling functionality allows you to share your availability with others, making it easy to find a time that works for everyone without the hassle of back-and-forth emails or calls. To schedule a meeting, simply select the date and time, add participants, and send out invitations. Participants can then choose an available time slot that fits their schedule.
Moving on to calendar configuration, let's see how you can create and share calendars while synchronizing them with your personal schedules. In the calendar module, you can create new calendars and customize their settings according to your preferences. You can then share these calendars with your team members, enabling collaborative scheduling and ensuring everyone stays on the same page. To share a calendar, simply select the Share option and choose the colleagues you want to grant access to. Additionally, Bitrix24 allows you to sync your shared calendars with your personal ones.
Moving on to email integration and setup, a seamless way to manage your email communication within Bitrix24. Bitrix24 allows you to integrate your email accounts, such as Gmail or Outlook, directly into the platform. This streamlines your communication process, allowing you to send and receive emails without leaving Bitrix24. To integrate an email account, navigate to the Settings menu, select Email Integration, and follow the prompts to add your email account. Once integrated, you can access your emails directly from Bitrix24.
Let's explore the email settings within Bitrix24, where you can manage your connected mailbox and customize synchronization preferences. By integrating your email accounts with Bitrix24, you can streamline your communication workflow and access your emails directly from the platform. Here, you can configure synchronization settings and customize email preferences to suit your needs. To synchronize your email account, navigate to the Settings menu and select Email Integration. Follow the prompts to add your email account and adjust synchronization settings.
Now, let's explore the Documents and Drive overview, where you can store, manage, and collaborate on documents and files. Bitrix24's document management system allows you to create, edit, and share documents with your team. The Drive feature provides a centralized location for storing and organizing your files, making it easy to access them from anywhere. To upload a document, simply drag and drop the file into the Drive or select the Upload button. You can then share the document with your team members and collaborate on it in real time. Activate Drive synchronization to access your Bitrix24's Drive seamlessly from both your computer's File Explorer and mobile devices. This feature enables you to work on your documents offline, with changes automatically syncing once you're back online. By activating Drive synchronization, you can access your Bitrix24 Drive directly from your computer's File Explorer. This allows you to work on your documents offline and automatically syncs any changes once you're back online. To enable Drive synchronization, simply download and install the Bitrix24 desktop application, log in, and activate synchronization in the Settings menu. Your files will then be synchronized across all your devices, ensuring seamless access and collaboration whether you're at your desk or on the go. And there you have it. With these collaboration tools, you can enhance communication, streamline scheduling, manage emails, and collaborate on documents more effectively. Stay tuned for more tutorials from Webby's Bitrix24 series.